I teach and what I do is all about equine behavior. How to adjust it, how to make it better, how to have a better connection with your horse.
Well, I'm Ryan Gingrich.
I am a specialist as far as I'm concerned in my industry, but it's basically promoted towards the average Joe that has a horse, has some problems. Probably the biggest majority of horse owners are horse owners with horse problems. That's a huge problem in the industry, and really I'm not the only person that's really addressing it the way that I do.
Pulling back on both reins just makes your horse very happy because you're making them smile. Right?
Yeah, what we're going to do, what I basically do is I go through the program to begin with, so they have an understanding of my program, what I do, what I teach, and then who I am, what my background is. And then I specifically go through each part of my program and teach the integral parts of it, how to get the horse from being a conflicted animal to one that's less conflicted, more under control, and more connected to the person. One of the great things about this show is I'm going to be able to take some horses like Dylan, who are my horses, and then other people's horses that are outside horses I've never seen before, and work through, show people how it's supposed to look, and then work through the problems with those other horses. And now, quick fixes are just kind of one of those things that you don't ever want to get into, really. It's all long-term rehabilitation, basically, that you're looking for the horse to become rehabilitated, but I can't obviously do it in 3 days or 2 days or half an hour, hour and a half, whatever they give me for my demo. It's basically just to demonstrate to the people how to do it and then go home and try to practice what I've taught you. I tour around the U.S. And now into Canada for doing expos, horse expos and clinics. I have a television show on RFD TV. Through the show there, I basically do what I'm doing here, is I go to people's houses, their homes, and work with their conflicted horses, and over 3 or 4 days, start to change the horse's behavior to a better place. The expo's been really great. We've had a lot of fun, a lot of good people, a lot of great horses, and we'll hope to be back next year, and you guys should really come.